Hello folks, this is my new, or should I say, well, new to me, but vintage watch cleaning machine. This is a rather rare model, manufactured in France. Very nice and heavy, and as you can see, it is cleaning parts in the wash at this minute. Now I'm in America, and this is a 220 machine. I got a step-down converter, a nice one, 4,000 watts. And it's been doing a fine job so far. I hope nothing happens. This is a right here is the brand. Made in France. Unlike many other watch cleaning machines, this one has the jars in a line. That's the heater over there. Although I dry the parts in a food dehydrator, which works very well. And I'm probably just going to use this for the wash and the rinse. So I just wanted to show you. I was kind of excited to get it running. And so far with no issues. I hope not. Okay?